Saturday and Sunday this week.
Coach mar team mar volleyball mar jomamine pachoka Malkia Strikers, Jafet Munala, wacho ni gigeno ni nyi Kenya go biro timo maber e tuke mag Zone 5 madhi timore Accra e piny mar Ghana. Munala
notel ne team no yorako yala pamanyayo lero nigi kore makare kata kubedo ni pinje magidhira dogodo ok gin pinje mayot.
Mana timbe ariyo mawuok e zone ka zone ema biro dhi laro osimbo mar pinje Afrika e boma ma Cairo e piny Misri.
So far we have three or four new faces in the team. We have Masi Minza from DCI, you have Sarah Baraza from DCI, we have Ito from Kenya Prisons, and we have Lindsay Cheruto from KCB. Those are the new faces that are in the national team, Malkia Strikers now, and we are hopeful that they are going to make it to the qualifiers.
We want to have the men this year. They missed the last edition for the All African Games, so we are putting effort also for the men so that we can have two teams. We already qualified two teams for the beach volleyball for men and women, so we want to have 4 teams in this year's All African Games.